July 4th, 2024. On a bike ride here, Farmington River Trail. Let's see how this goes. These are the people I came with. There's my wife, and there's Andrew, and they're too slow for me. I'm the king of the world. I'm not even the king of my own house. It's starting to rain a little, but it's all right. It's nice and humid, so the rain's good for you. So we took a little break. Okay, we just finished a little bit, 2 miles. We're gonna go the other way. It's starting to here. You see the ground's a little wet there. Andrew, what do you think of the run so far?
It's good.
It's good. That's my wife, Honey. What do you think?
Good. Just a little bit of incline, but doable. Enjoyable.
All right, let's finish the rest of this. Let me fix my helmet. People are watching. All right, let's keep going. Let's go in the rain. In the rain, if you can see it. But we won't stop. The bike ride does not end. It's coming down. It's coming down. Woo! Can you feel the rain coming? No, you can't feel it. Can you see it? Wow. So we just finished 3 miles according to my watch. Andrew has a bell on his bike. He's been ringing it every time somebody passes us. It's hilarious. Past a little over 7 miles. Andrew's in front of me, and my wife is behind me. I'm free, free falling. So we just finished. Look at my bike head, whatever, helmet head. We rode about over 10 miles here in the Farmington River. Nice place here. So join us next time, and you'll get the invite.